DIY clay crafts. How to make cute things. Do-do-do. Big H, little I. Hi! So today we're going to be working with polymer clay. We had some of this is some of the leftover clay from our previous video, flow stones. And right now we're making some yellow clay. And like we said in our flow stones video, you have to condition the clay so it's nice and soft.
But first, what are we making?
Yes, right now we might
clean the surface first.
You have to clean it or else you might get some icky stains on it, and nobody wants stains, do you?
First, we'll make a bean family.
Don't ask me what I'm making. I'm probably making a cheeseburger cheese. And see that little green thing? That's gonna be the cute, adorable little shell of the bean family. And don't mind me over there. This is not even gonna work, but I'm making tiny squares. Don't ask me why.
Why?
I said don't. And do you see the little white balls we're making? That's the bean family.
That took forever for my mom to do. Right now they look very, very ovalish and weirdish, but that was taking my mom forever.
And the reason it's kind of fast is just because fast forward. See that big one that I just did for her? She rejected it and did use something else because she said it was dirty. And that's why we have adorable little witch guy, because I felt bad for it and I was definitely not wasting it, because since he didn't get into the bean family, he at least deserved to be a magician, whatever.
Magician. Da-da-da.
After this, we're gonna be making eyes for the bean family, which takes forever.
Like 10 days.
Oh. Not really 10 days. It actually took only
10 hours.
Like half an hour or two. But don't worry, you can achieve it.
The ice took forever, so.
See how cute and unique every expression is?
Now let's use the yellow pieces to make a flower. Wait, what?
You don't have to make a flower. I mean, the ones that we're making in this video are just something to give you inspiration. And see that little there? Can you see its mustache? That was made from the leftover eyes that we had from my mom's bean family. And see the roses? All my hard work kind of was not that useful, because it turns out you were supposed to get a big one and do it. So it didn't really work out the way I wanted it to, but it still worked. And we're making a rose.
But what about the vine? I mean the thing that points down, that holds the flower thingy.
Anyway, the leftover green from the bean family is gonna be the leaf. See? Can you see it coming together? Can you see the witch hat coming together? After this, you're soon gonna see my little magical abandoned pea
that ran away from the bean family.
No, not ran away, kicked out.
Oh my gosh.
And now we're making a leaf for the flower.
A big leaf, a tiny leaf, big leaf, or a medium leaf.
We are making a normal leaf, and you don't need to go to such extremes, little brother.
It doesn't look like normal.
You really need to work on your grammar, you know. Anyway,
what's grammar? Now let's make a duck.
A ducky, duck. Once there was a duck. Oh, sorry, I'm horrible at singing.
My sister and my mom.
So, what's this? Is this gonna be the head? Oh, it's gonna be such a cute little humongous little head. No, it's gonna be the wing. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. And it's gonna fly with the cute little wings. And it's gonna... Yeah, it's definitely a wing. It's so cute and adorable.
I think it's a butt.
You're not supposed to... Oh, is it a butt? Oh, It turned out to be Justin, you're spoiled. You weren't supposed to say that until they put the head on it. You spoiler. You evil.
I'm not evil. You're evil. What?
Hey, you're the evil one. This is gonna be the cute, adorable little feet. Or is it? It's underwear. That dog should really wear some underwear. Now that I think about it, that's a pretty good idea.
How about a bunny has underwear?
No, that's like way too weird.
No?
Anyway, with that tiny white splotches, we're gonna make wings. See that pink thing there?
No?
See that pink thing there? See that
corner?
No, not that one. The hot pink one and the light pink one. I've been trying to make shades of pink for a long time to make the duck's kawaii cheeks. I mean, like, a duck's not a duck without adorable kawaii cheeks, right?
No? Ducks don't have kawaii cheeks.
Well, a duck's not a cute duck without kawaii cheeks. See all those pink shades of pink
In the corner?
in the corner? I made all of them. And see those little brown things? Oh yeah, those are all the colors I made while I was doing.
Those are the little hairs.
And look how cute it is. I told you it was supposed to be kawaii duck.
Huh?
Anyway,
Doesn't look like it has any kawaii cheeks.
now it has kawaii cheeks. See how much cuter it looks now? It looks like a real kawaii duck. And now I'm gonna make it a cute little bow tie so it's even more kawaii. See, look how cute it is. I also thought of making a girl bow tie, but then I realized that it's a duck. Like, it has like that hair on its head. That's like boy. It just screams boy. Look how cool it is.
Screaming up to the screen.
Hello.
Look, can you see that pumpkin with a big face? That's mine. And
Yeah.
the normal pumpkin
It's
my
beautiful. Subscribe.
Also find us at SD.